What's up, y'all? Today we're going to make a cheap and easy homemade California burrito. This is everything you'll need. Some cheap steak, some french fries, some cheese, either shredded or shreddable, and tortillas. And then chop up your steak. Preferably, we would want to season and then marinate overnight, but I didn't. I seasoned with some minced onion, cayenne pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, and cumin. You can bake the fries or fry the fries or whatever. We are using the air fryer. They're game changers. About 15 minutes at 400. Then we're going to throw the steak in a pan, give it a little stir, let it cook, give it a little stir, go drain. Burrito assemble. Tortilla down, grab some steak, kind of line it up. Now it's time to get cheesy. Give it a sprinkle or three. And then we'll take our fries, get them kind of situated, all pointing the same direction. Grab a few more, put that there, and then let's roll one up. Get one side rolled in good, and just give it a firm squeeze and eat.